Hi friends, today's topic of discussion is from the chapter Polynomial Practice Set 3.2. In our earlier videos, we have uploaded question number 1 to question number 4. In this video, we are discussing question number 5. Here, we need to divide the first polynomial by the second and write the answer in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, this is the first term, okay, and this is the second polynomial. So, first polynomial and the second polynomial. So first what we have to do, we have to write the given polynomial in the index form, because there may be some terms which are missing. As you can see, the x square term and x raised to 1 term is absent. So we will get it by writing this particular polynomial in the index form. So x cube plus 0 x square plus 0x minus 64. So what we have done, whenever there is a missing term, like x square term is missing, x raised to 1 term is missing, so what we did, we brought those terms by adding the coefficient as 0. And we need to divide this by the second term. So our second term is x minus 4. So let's start the division. So here what we will be doing, here we will write our dividend, that is x cube in the index form plus 0 x square plus 0x minus 64. So here will be our divisor, that is the second term. So now what we have to do, here we have to get x cube. For getting x cube, what we have to do, this particular term, that is x, we have to multiply by x square, then we will get x cube. So here we will write x square. So here we will get x cube. But while we are doing that, there is another term minus 4. Okay, so it will become sad. So what we have to do, that also we need to multiply. So minus 4 into x square will be minus 4x square. And as such, when we divide, we do subtraction. So here when we do subtraction, the signs will change. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So this particular term will get minus, because x cube minus x cube will become 0. And here, since the sign has changed, so 4 plus 0, it will be 4. So 4x square. And then the remaining terms will bring down, that is 0x and minus 64. Now we need to get 4x square, and what we have is x. To get 4x square, we need to add by 4x. So when we multiply x with 4x, here we will get 4x square. But while we are doing that, there is another term minus 4 and it will get sad. So we need to multiply this term also. So minus 4 into plus 4x, we will get minus 16x. And as such, when we do division, we need to subtract. So the signs will change, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So this particular term will get minus 4x square minus 4x square. So it will go, the answer will be 0. So here plus 16x plus 0x, we will get 16x. And this particular term minus 64, that we will take down. And now again, here we have x and we want 16x. So we will add here 16. So x into 16, we will have 16x. While we are doing that, there is another term minus 4 and it will get sad. So we need to multiply minus 4 also. So minus 4 plus 16, we will have minus 64. Okay. As such, when we do division, and here we need to do subtraction, so the signs will change. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So 16x minus 16x, this term will go. Minus 64 plus 64, this term will also go. So your remainder finally will become 0. Okay. So now what you get, here this is the quotient and here this is the remainder. This is the dividend. Okay. And this is the divisor. Correct? So this is the divisor. So now we will write our answer in the form which they have asked, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So our dividend, now we will write as which was given, that is x cube minus 64, that is our dividend. Our divisor is x minus 4. Our quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16, and our remainder is 0. So So this is our final answer. That is x cube minus 64 is x minus 4, that is the divisor. Then the quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16 and the remainder is 0. So this was question number 5 from the chapter Polynomial and practice set 3.2. Hope you like the video. We will again meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.